So let us show you how this will be, how this will look, and then we'll break it in part. One simple volcada that you know. Second volcada. And just to finish it up, small to cross, quick, slow. Let's start seeing a few points during this, and we're going to start up here with some tips first. Side step. The first one is the main volcada. Just as a reminder, we displace a little bit. Yes, for the low voleo here, sorry. And we send her, we create the momentum, but without transferring body weight to the left yet. Most common problem that happen, I will do it wrong for a second, is that the leader starts going on the transition, which is bad news for her. Rotate, initiate the momentum. Once you have the momentum, then you can transfer to the back leg. Now from here, we are going to bring her into the cruzada. You have that one already. Now from here, she's not ready at this moment. If I will go right away back, she won't be able to do it. We need to transfer her body weight. And did you notice that I moved my rib cage a little bit front? That will uncross her if you notice there. And from here, we are going to rotate. Again, I initiate the rotation without transferring body weight yet. Once I initiate the rotation, then look for the connection on the right hip, and then you can shift. I'm doing 2 points of connection, my hip and my right hand. Bringing her into the cruzada. If you notice, I will let you go here. I'm stepping a little bit apart from her, so she has a space to do that cruzada. I was here. Now, again, same thing. Don't go right away. You want to rotate a little bit and feel the pendulum of that leg before you transfer. And this will be shorter, so we can face her a little more with our torso. Tac, tac, tac. The main support at this moment, can I rewind? The main support, it changed, since it's faster and it's smaller, changed being from my hip bone a little more towards my arm, upper arm area, especially when it's short. So I was here, and I will do the short one. 1 and 2. If you notice, I was having just a tiny bit of space here until I get her in axis. And then, of course, you can go to a resolution.
Good. Now, followers, these are 3 different shapes for volcada. So 3 different body posture, position, and connection with the leader and dynamic. So let's review again for the followers. On the first one, remember after the voleo, we make a circle with the leg back side. While I'm extending the right leg the more I can and growing taller on this position. When he goes front, I'm trying to reach my left hip with his, and I'm very supportive position here from the hips, legs, not from the arms. From here I go up to the cross, grow taller to the cross. Now this is a new one, and this is a little different. He will uncross. This is more sideways diagonal. It's not closing to him much. So I will go from the side to the front, and my foot is under my arm or the frame. So I need to put my foot closer to him. From that diagonal position, I go again back, up to the axis and cross. So this is different than the other one. The third one is with the left, but still is different. So let me explain that slow. Make the circle. In this case, it's more on the air or faster to go back to the cross. And resolution. So with timing, voleo, extension, and cross. Side and together, let's do the 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
So we go side step, voleo, extension to the cross, extension to the cross. Last one is a little faster, cross and resolution.